Amanda and Anna, what are you trying to do today?
Learn how to make elephant noise.
Such a... Now you try.
Show us again, Anna.
Okay. You can't make a noise like in your throat too. It's like your cat.
Hold on, show us where the air should be, Anna.
Right here.
Show us though. Yeah. Now you try.
Aren't I doing it? I'm like tensing up my cheeks right here. You can still see your lips. Put them on the inside of your mouth.
Mouths are bigger than yours.
Okay, now push the air in between your lips. No. No. Really like your double chin when you do. This is too close.
Hold on. Dinah, your turn. Make the sound.
Oh my God, she did it.
What is the thing?
You really... Okay. That was good. But it's not in your cheeks.
I'm not putting it in my cheeks.
Can you tense up your cheeks?
Like what? We're totally tense.
Okay. You can't make her go any higher?